Hey guys, it is Dani and I'm here with updates on the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Cristobal to look at, and we also have another area that is highlighted for some potential tropical cyclone development in the coming week. But before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the Atlantic hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is Weather Girl Dani and my main is Dani Henry Official. So first, let us go to that newly shaded area there where we could see some tropical cyclone development, and right now we're seeing a 20% chance from the National Hurricane Center because an area flow pressure is expected to form in that zone right there, and from that area flow pressure we could see the development of a tropical, I would say subtropical cyclone, guys. And if it does develop, it will acquire the name Dolly, which is the next name on the list for the Atlantic hurricane season. But fortunately, it is expected to stay offshore and not have any significant impact on any land areas. And so now let's go on to Tropical Storm Cristobal. So right now, Cristobal has winds of 50 miles per hour and it is accelerating to the north at 12 miles per hour. And it is expected to make landfall maybe by tomorrow evening or probably even early Monday, but I would say most likely tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. And we have a tropical storm warning that is in effect for Intracoastal City, Louisiana to the Okaloosa, Walton County, Florida line, and we also have a tropical storm warning that is in effect for the Train and Lake Maurepas. So those areas can expect tropical storm-like conditions within about 24 hours. I believe they already started because the outer rain bands of Cristobal have been moving onshore. And so guys, please stay safe from this tropical cyclone if you're being affected or to be affected by it. And next, let's go on to the rainfall that is expected. And so we have the different colors here representing different amounts. We have the orange showing 6 inches, the yellow showing 4 inches, the darker green showing 2, and the lighter green showing 1. We see that areas as far as South Carolina and even parts of North Carolina to be affected by Cristobal because it has such a it is so big, guys. And so we already have a lot of the convection going off to the northeast, affecting parts of Florida and the Gulf Coast states as well, guys. So even though landfall expected to be in Louisiana, we can see a lot of the rainfall going off to the northeast, affecting the southeastern United States, guys. And so please stay cautious, guys, because these rainfall amounts here are what could cause some flash flooding in your area if you're to be affected by Cristobal. And so guys, looking at satellite imagery here, we're seeing that most of the south and western side of Cristobal not having as much shower activity going on as the northeastern side, and the reason for that is due to some dry air intrusion that is helping the system to not intensify, and that is why we haven't seen it strengthening throughout today. It has been at 50 miles per hour right through most of today, but we could see it being at its maximum with winds about 60 miles per hour. So don't just say that, okay, it is not a very strong storm, it is disorganized. That does not make it any less dangerous. The rainfall threat is the most significant threat, I would say, at this time, guys. So please take the necessary precautions. And we also have most of the models available expecting Cristobal to remain at tropical storm level when taking it close to a Category 1 hurricane, but not reaching there. And so Cristobal not expected to become a hurricane. And guys, that is really it for this update. So if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and can also share your thoughts with me in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And remember to always be weatherwise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.